folks, this is my four-wheeler, and it's been sitting here for 3.5 weeks. I was out of town for a couple weeks, and I think the starter solenoid is bad on it. So I got my tool, got my replacement, and I'm gonna try to replace that. But first, gotta get the seat off. All right, I got the seat off, and there's this plastic piece with the toolkit in the middle of it, but I think that is the solenoid. So I don't think taking this off will make any difference for clearance, but if that's not the solenoid, then it absolutely will. But I think that is. I just gotta figure out how to get to it. I might have to take this plastic panel off. Looks like I will. And we'll see what happens. Okay, I got the middle section off just because it was kind of in my way. And I took the little side panel off. This is definitely what I'm looking for. So now I gotta get those pieces disconnected and put the new one in place. Let's see what happens. I don't think I can set this phone up anywhere so you can see me do it, but chickens are awfully vocal today. I don't know if you can see anything there. I doubt it. But see if I can get this off. Of course, it's metric, and I have an SAE set here. Alright, that's the old one. Well, this is a new one. I don't think it's the right one. It's got different type connections here. Pretty sure these are not going to slide on there. I mean, I can look, but they're not. So once again, Amazon jacked me over. I won't be doing that. So, guess I'll put it back together. It'd be funny if it worked now, but probably won't. Alright, I'm going to go get the keys. I'm pretty sure it's not going to work because I'm pretty sure that solenoid is bad, but you know what the heck, maybe moving it around will make it work. We'll see. Let me get the keys. I'll be right back. Yeah, no, that didn't work. However, I do still hear the solenoid clicking, so it is the solenoid. I'm just going to stack all this parts back up here. And when I go to town a little later today, I'll see if the parts store in town has a better one. But it kind of pisses me off when you go through the process through Amazon and specifically to the model number and it's still the wrong one. I technically could change out the spade bits on there with barrel connectors, and that probably would work. I shouldn't have to do all that engineering to get a product that's supposed to be for this ATV. These chickens are really vocal today. Anyway, so I'll let you know what I do. Okay, I'm back at the four-wheeler, and got my Amazon package in. Should be the new solenoid, starter solenoid. So I'm going to unpack it and see if I can install it. Well, it looks to be the correct one. It has the blades. So here we go. I don't know if you can see this. I'll see if I can set you right here. I'm not sure. Maybe you'll be able to see that. Okay. It is attached there. Now before we get too crazy, let's see if the thing will start, or even attempt to start. Move my tools out of the way. Oh yeah. Yeah, that wants to start. Woohoo! See, I'll put the phone down and get it started. I'll start putting all the parts back together. Got to get the side piece, this piece. I'll put all that together and then I'll try to crank it. Yay! Okay, I got everything buttoned up. Got the little Arctic Cat piece on there, and the center console and the tool bag all back in place. So now let's see if we can crank this baby. See if I can let you guys stay right there. Yeah, baby. That's what I like to hear. Nice. Got everything put back together. I just got to put the seat on. Cool.